the course of our previous sessions, we have assisted our students in establishing the various concepts of the lesson, the way the world looks. Therefore, in this session, let's continue implementing the zero investment innovative idea of concept explanation and initiate a hands-on activity with an inquiry-based approach. Through this, we will be leading our students to revise the concept of identifying and drawing 3D objects. Let's begin by displaying the cuboidal box that we had arranged to the students and keep it on the table. To initiate the process of identifying 3D objects, ask the students to draw the shape of the box in their notebooks. Ask the students to draw the top, front and side views of the box. Give the students some time to draw. Once the students are done drawing, it's time to inquire with them about the 3D shapes. Holding the conversation with our students is important as it aids in developing their effective communication skills. While pointing at the box on the table, let's ask, "What shape is this?" The students may respond by saying, "Cuboid." Continue to ask, "How many faces does it have?" Display the box and point to each of its sides while the students count. The students will then respond by saying 6. Then, we will draw the cuboidal shape on the blackboard and ask the students to draw the same in their notebooks. Guide the students to draw it properly using a scale. Once the students have drawn the shape, inform them that a cuboid is also three-dimensional. Ask the students to give more examples of other 3D shapes from the surroundings. We will then conclude by informing the students that all 3D shapes by nature are solid shapes that have an inside and an outside, separated by a surface. Continue to state that all physical things that we touch are three-dimensional. With that, we have come to the end of our lesson. By implementing the innovative idea of concept explanation, the students will now be able to acquire an understanding about the shapes around them, make cubes or cuboids using the given nets, draw the top, front and side view of simple objects, identify certain symbols and locate the objects correctly to create a plan or elevation view of a room. Give and follow directions using a map with respect to landmarks in the school or neighborhood. Respond to simple guidelines or announcements made in English in the classroom or at school. Respond verbally or in writing to questions based on daily life experiences in English and briefly describe personal experiences or about events and places in English, either orally or in writing. For more innovative teaching ideas like this, do tune in to our upcoming videos. Until then, goodbye.